Now we have a question from circles which also has a parabola. So we have to assume a point P of the parabola y square equal to 8x, which is at a minimum distance from the given circle center. Then we have to find the equation of a circle passing through the center of this circle and with center as P. So let's imagine how it is. So proceeding with the given information, first we have a parabola. Parabola is this way, y square equal to 8x, and the circle x square plus y plus 6 whole square equal to 1. Then the circle center, which is C, is equal to 0 comma minus 6, which has to be somewhere here, 0 comma minus 6. So assume this is a circle and the nearest point to this center has to be somewhere here, and we have to assume this as P, the given point P, let it be some xy. So as we already know, the generalized form of any point on a parabola, we can write it as at square comma 2at. For example, we can verify it on this equation y square, which is 4a square t square is equal to usually we check it for y square equal to 4ax equal to 4 into a into x is 8t square, which is 4a square t square. Hence it's verified, so it has to satisfy this. So let us assume the point P to be 80 square comma 280. So comparing these two, we have the value of a as 2. Putting this into this, we have 2t square comma 4t. So point P is 2t square comma 4t, which is nearest to the center of this circle. Now if this is the nearest point, then it has to be the normal. Okay, agreed? So first, now let's write the equation of this normal. We know s1 equal to 0 is the equation of its tangent. Tangent equation s1 equal to 0 for this parabola gives us y1, which is the point 40 equal to 4 into x plus x1, which is 2t square. Solving this, 4ty is equal to 4x plus 8t square. 4x minus 4ty plus 8t square equal to 0. This is tangent, taking its slope m1, which is minus a by b, minus 4 pi minus 4t, which is 1 by t. Now we need the normal, so slope of normal has to be minus t. Now writing the equation of the normal, y minus 4t is equal to minus t into x minus 2t square. Y minus t equal to minus tx plus 2t cube, which gives y is equals to minus tx plus 4t plus 2t cube. Now we know this normal passes through the center of the circle, then it has to satisfy the point, 0 comma minus 6. So let's substitute it into it, then we'll get minus 6 is equal to x is 0, we are left with 40 plus 2t cube, 40 plus 2t cube, which gives us 2t cube plus 4t plus 6 is equals to 0. T cube plus 2t plus 3 is 0. So we have an equation. If we solve this, we get the values of t. Later on we can have the point P. So let's proceed by calculating the value. T cube plus 2t plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, now we have t cube plus 2t plus 3 equal to 0. So let's check if we have any root. 0 does not satisfy, 1 does not satisfy, -1 might be, -1 cube is -1, -2 plus 3 is 0, which is, hence -1 is a root t minus 1 and some equation. Now we have to find the other equation. If we keep t is equals to 1, let's erase this. So t minus 1, t cube plus 2t plus 3, so t square, which gives us t cube minus t square, minus and plus cancel, so t square, bringing down the remaining terms, plus 2t plus 3, we have t, we need t square, so plus t would give us t square minus t, subtracting, we have 3t plus 3, bringing down the equation. T minus 1, we need 3t over here, we need 3, t into 3 is 3t, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, this is minus plus, this cancels over, we have 6, so t minus 1 into t square plus t plus 3 with remainder 6. So this is something we can see it's not a perfect square, so we won't get any roots over here. So all the real value of t which can be is t is equals to 1. Sorry, t satisfies -1, so it has to be t plus 1 plus t square, this is minus t square plus 2t minus t square, 1 into minus t is minus t, we get plus 3t, and same way plus 3 plus 1 plus 3, this becomes minus, we have 0. So we have t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 3. So for this equation, minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 12 by 2a, this is not a perfect root, so this won't give us any roots. All we have is t plus 1, which is t equal to -1. So t equal to -1 is the only value we can use. We have t to be -1, which is p to -4. As we see, we have in fourth quadrant point P satisfies, so verify to 2, -4. Now we need the equation of a circle, passing through C with P as center, passing through C and C as center, so it has to be in this way. Now we know the center and we know a point on the circle. So if we find this distance, which is radius, we will be able to write the equation of the circle. So let's find radius, which is distance between P and C. 2 minus 0 whole square plus minus 4 plus 6 whole square. 2 minus 0 whole square is 4 plus 6 minus 4 whole square is 4, which is root 8. Now equation of circle required is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square, because 2 comma minus 4 is the center of the circle, equal to square of radius, which is 8. So this is the required equation of the circle.